Hello, everybody. Ruben here from PAS Professional Amazon Services. Today, I'd like to talk about 5 tools to use when you want to generate external traffic to your Amazon. Number one is probably a lot of you already know or you have met is the Empt.io. The way they operate, it's simple. You advertise your product detail pages or your storefront at the Google Ads and then direct the traffic with the use of attribution link or the brand referral program back to your pages. A great way to generate external traffic, great way to generate new sales and find new customer. Very simple to use, and they have a great support to help you to navigate, to start, or even to manage. Next one comes as the Ambassador. It's an old program that I have used. They're still active and they do a great job. The way they operate, they have hundreds and thousands of real, mostly women, but also men influencers that they negotiate, and they already have the rate set up, and they operate the way they purchase your product. They get it and they post about it, and depending what package you get, you can either get a post or story or reel or all of the above, and also possibly generate a review. Great way to create external traffic, a great way, or better way I should say, to generate reviews for your product and introduce your product thousands of potential new buyers based on the influencers. A little bit clunkier to use if I recall back in the day. I hope they fixed those. But again, very helpful. It helps us to launch a herbal supplement brand in 2021. And these, along with some other practices, get us in ranking #1 page on many important keywords organically. Moving on, we have a Stack Influence. This is a marketplace. This is a platform or marketplace that I found out not so long ago. So this kind of takes the same concept what the Ambassador is, but the kicker is that they are very solely operate on the marketplace side of it. So Amazon, Etsy, Target, Walmart, you can see here some of them. So this method is the same way. You buy a package, there's an influencer cost associated, and your product is getting obtained by the social media influencers. They post, and then they generate the traffic back to your page by use of the attribution link or direct links. Again, guys, I do love a lot influencer marketing for product launches or for product brand growth. So I cannot recommend these platforms a lot. Even if you cannot get one of those, look into the influencer marketing. So very straightforward, easy to use. Great guys. I met and spoke with them. William, shout out to him. And yeah, I'll definitely recommend this as an option. Moving forward is a Brand Expand. This is more traditional FSB option, how to generate. For those who are unfamiliar with the term, there's a search, find, and buy. So they have a pool of customers who also purchase your product based on the link you provide. It's an attribution link or it's a two-way URL. I know this can be a little bit controversial, so please do your research. Do not just follow. They claim to do a lot of due diligence. It's safe and everything else. Yeah, I think the platform is great. I think it's very easy to navigate. I think the potentials and benefit is huge with this program. So again, I do definitely find it valuable, but please, everybody do their own research before getting into this. So #4 goes into the Brand Expand, and #5, last but not least, is the Maverick X. So this goes again very similar to Empt.io. One of the biggest differences is that this has a landing page. The Empt.io does not have a landing page. It gets straight to your Amazon page or your Amazon storefront. This takes you to the landing page, which can be advantage because they have a beautiful landing pages. For those who are interested, please let me know. I'll give you a couple of options there to take a look at how the landing pages look like. But again, it's been advertised on a Google Ads. Prospect clicks on a link, they go on the landing page, they'll learn more about the landing product, and then they go into your Amazon pages for the conversion. So I believe this is how it works, and here's some of the examples here. For anybody who's interested, I'm happy to share this PDF or give you more information. But that's it for today. 5 external traffic tools, 5 tools, I should say, to generate external traffic for Amazon. Link's going to be in the post as well. And again, if you're using one of them, please comment. Please let me know what you know, how it went for you, your personal experiences. I'll be happy to chat. I've used at least 3 of them, I believe, out of this, and going to be continued customer for sure. So that's it for today. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.